In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change image resolution in Leonardo AI Desktop. If you want more control over the size and shape of the images you generate, changing the resolution is an important setting to know. In Leonardo AI on Desktop, you can do this from the settings area on the side of your workspace, and the process is very straightforward once you know where to look. To begin, open the AI Image Generation tool. This is the main area where you create images, and it's where the resolution controls are available when using the Legacy or Classic interface. Once you're in the image generation workspace, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar panel. This side panel contains many of the core generation settings, so if you're adjusting how your image will be created, this is usually the first place to check. From there, scroll down until you find the Image Dimensions section. This is the part of the panel where Leonardo AI lets you control the output resolution of your image. If you want a quick and easy option, click one of the preset resolution buttons. You may see sizes like 512 by 512, 768 by 1024, or 1024 by 1024. These presets are helpful because they let you switch instantly to common formats without needing to fine-tune anything manually. If you want more precise control, use the width and height sliders located directly below those preset buttons. These sliders allow you to manually customize the resolution to better match the kind of image you're trying to generate. For example, adjusting width and height can help you create a more square image, a portrait-style image, or a wider layout depending on your needs. That's all it takes to change image resolution in Leonardo AI Desktop using the Legacy or Classic interface. Once your dimensions are set, you'll be ready to continue generating images with the size that works best for your project.